How to fix Instagram direct messages not loading in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so if you have any problem with the messages not loading problem, this video is gonna help you. So first thing, go to WhatsApp on your phone. Go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Go to the apps, go to Instagram. Now here on this page you will find all the app informations. Click here on the first stop and go to data usage. Scroll down, disable the background data and the roaming data. Now go back and reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end.